Thomas, you're the leader. Come on. Okay. They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8. Shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue. They're the useful crew, that's who. All with different roles to play. Round Tidmouth sheds and far away. Now Stanley's joined this friendly pack. But who's this coming down the track? Friends, the list is long, it never ends. James and Percy, Huff and Puff, and Emily, she knows her stuff. Henry, Edward, what a pair. Toby, like I say, he's square. Gordon thunders down the line. Everyone's a friend of mine. That's right. Come on. Thomas, he's my number one. Shining in the morning sun. Forget the narrow gauge, where small and strong is all the rage. So handle Rusty, Mighty Mac, whoa. Fearless Freddy at the back, Reneus, and then Peter Sam, Scarlowy, Duncan, he's my man. With Mr. Percival in charge, no work's too hard, no job's too large. Yeah,